Whether you're joining a project midway or getting ready for a team meeting, Backlog AI Assistant helps you quickly understand what's happening without digging through issues and documents. Instead of creating filters or navigating through documents and boards, Backlog AI Assistant gives you a complete real-time overview of your project. Including overall status, what's been completed, what's currently in progress, and any critical issues that need attention. It even highlights upcoming high priority work and key recommendations, so you know where to focus next. Backlog AI Assistant can also connect information across issues and documents. For example, we can ask, what have we decided so far about offline mode? Okay, let's review everything. Here, you can see the core decisions divided into categories: goals and scope, open questions, and related implementation work with links to all the tasks. And finally, known risks and recommendations, so you don't have to remember where decisions were written or who documented them. With the insight capabilities of Backlog AI Assistant, you can save time, unify knowledge, and get instant, accurate information about your projects. Thanks for watching.